Greetings, coders. In this video, we are going to look at how to remove a node and then reorder the min heap after the removal. The basic process will work it like this. We remove the minimum root node, and then we move the very last element all the way up to the root so that we can get rid of the very last element. And this reduces the heap size by 1. We then adjust the heap through a process called percolating down to find the proper location for the value that was moved up to the top. Then we do all the adjustments and move the root down as necessary. And once we find that location, we're done. Continuing with the same example, we have our heap and we're going to do a delete, and we're going to take the smallest value on the heap. So we remove 12 and can do whatever with it in our program. And now we move the last value to the root. This is 31. So 31 is moved up to the root. We find the smallest child of 31. So between these two, the two children of 31, we find the one that is the smallest. The smallest here equals 14. If 14 is less than 31, so 14 is smaller than 31, then we swap. The reason that we needed to compare against both of these and find the smallest is so that when we swap, that the heap order property is maintained with the other node. Now that these are swapped, we have 31 here, and we want to find the smallest child of 31. We have 24 and 21. 21 is the smallest, less than 31, so we need to swap. And now we have 21 up here, and we have 31. Now we find the smallest value of 31. There's only one child. And 32 is larger than 31, so we do not swap, which means we have achieved the heap order, and we have completed the removal process and subsequent reordering. And that's it for this video.